What's up, everybody? It's your boy Jernski back at it again with another Airsoft YouTube video. Y'all remember this kid from the last video? He got yelled at for being on this guy's back and comforted me after I got shot in the peen.
It's gonna be okay.
Thank you.
You're gonna make it.
You know what? I feel a lot better now.
Good.
Well, I wanted to give him a shout out. He asked me to sign his mask and stock, and I was honored. The first Jernski signature ever goes to this guy. And sorry I didn't catch his name, but this guy is awesome. Thanks for all the continued love and support from all my subscribers. Don't forget to like, comment on this video, and tell your friends to subscribe as well. Enjoy the video.
Hit. What? What the fuck?
Did I get you?
Yeah. Wait, are you actually recording now?
Yeah.
Oh, dang. Look at me. Hi, YouTube.
Oh, God!
Man, that shit hot.
Damn it!
Dude.
Ah, damn!
You good?
Fuck! I'm so tired of trading with you, man.
No, it's so fun though. Hey, on the other side of this box.
Surrender. Surrender.
Alright, we're dead.
Sure thing.
Holy shit, man, you scared the shit.
Oh, good shot, bud. This way. So,
I'm mini Guernsey.
just look up there.
Okay, if I shoot one on accident and they don't call name,
If they're facing you, shoot them.
I don't want to have to shoot them on accident so close.
If there's no minimum engagement distance to the face. Where's he at? On the embassy?
Oh, I jump shot. Shit.
Surrender.
Alright, yeah, make a compelling argument.
Oh! You're not shooting anything. Nobody's shot me yet, but I'll call it. Just take off and kill everybody. Just go run. Get this guy right here. Just run up and smack him. What? She's not on our team.
Wait, what? Oh my god.
Dude! Dude! That's like a $20 mag.
Bro. I think I win this fight. I still think I win this fight.
Yeah.
Hey, what are you doing? You're on my side.
Wait a minute.
I don't like watching.
Wait. Fuck. No. Okay, fine. Give me back my gun.
Oh, there's too many speed boys. Surrender.
Oh, fuck.
Had to wait for you, was 10 feet away.
Blue team is wanted to see flag. The next flag is next flag.
Oh, fuck it.
Oh my god, I was gonna kill all of y'all. Oh, fuck. Oh, ah! Ah!
You got it, you got it. I didn't want to shoot.
Always shoot, bud. Always shoot. grab it, go grab it, go grab it. Go grab it, hurry.
Where's the flag?
Right there.
Oh, fuck.
Come on, guys.
This is like my second time playing.
You're good, bro, you're good.
Alright guys, that's game over. Game over. Blue team went out. And get loaded up real quick. And you guys are loaded up. And then make some briefings. One last thing before we close today.
All right, everybody. So I still have the Jernski patches for sale. Just hit me up on my Instagram or Twitter. The link is in the description below. If you want to get yourself one, we can talk about how I can get it shipped out to you if you do live somewhere that's not in my local area. Also, as soon as these patches sell out, do not fear if you don't get one, because I will be dropping another design. But these patches need to be sold before I can drop another design. That's how I'm able to afford to make these patches. So if y'all want one, hit me up on Instagram or Twitter. Once again, the link is in the bio. And with that, have a nice day. Peace.